What is boto3? So boto3 is a Python library developed by AWS. AWS is developed one Python with the help of Python library. They developed boto3, and boto3 serves as a SDK software development kit for interacting with various AWS services. With the help of boto3, we can access AWS services and we can perform AWS services. It provides an easy to use interface for developers to write code and automate tasks, manage resources, and build application on the AWS cloud. So with the general code, with the help of general any editor, you type your code, and when you run this code, this will be effects on AWS services. AWS services. Just you observe here, with the help of Python and boto3, if the developer knows the Python and boto3 well, and they can perform all the services, not one services, they can operate, they can run all services very quickly. So boto3 is a Python library developed by AWS for interacting with AWS services. It serves an SDK providing a comprehensive set of APIs for developers to work with AWS resources. boto3 simplifies the process of interacting with AWS services by abstracting away the underlying complexities. Just you observe, I want to log into this official website. So this is the official website. So Amazon AWS. So clearly use AWS SDK for Python boto3, create and configure AWS services such as Amazon EC2 instance and simple storage service, everything. Just you observe, I want to sample code, a code examples I required. I want to create S3 bucket, Amazon S3 buckets I want to create. So with this code we can create without manual work. This can be automate, this one automate your work. With the help of this you can create S3 bucket with the help of this code. So if you can want to list the all S3 buckets, very simple code, it lists the all your buckets data information. So it supports a wide range of AWS services including compute storage, DB, database, machine learning, and more. boto3 enables automation of tasks, management of resource, and building of scalable and solution of AWS. It integrates well with other AWS tools and services, facilitating the seamless development and deployment workflow. It supports authentication and authorization mechanisms, error handling, and asynchronous operations. boto3 widely used for DevOps engineers and system administrators and developers. It's the most important for every DevOps engineer. So we can automate our AWS services. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.